Happy day to all. Today we are going to see previous year fuzzy and neural network questions, net exam questions. Let's go. If two fuzzy sets A and B are given with a membership function mu of AX equal to 0.2, 0.4 and some points, and then mu of BX equal to 0.1, 0.3 that, then the value of this is mu dash, okay, mu of A intersection B the whole dash. So the formula is 1 minus mu A intersection B, okay, A intersection B. So what is mu of A intersection B? That is minimum of mu of AX comma mu of BX. Similarly, mu of A union B, that is equal to max of mu of AX comma mu of BX, right? So this is intersection, this is union, we have to remember this. Then if they ask mu of A intersection B the whole dash, 1 minus mu of A intersection B. So now we find out the minimum value from this list is 0.2 or 0.1. So 0.1 is the minimum value, and then 0.4, 0.3. So that is 0.3 is the minimum value, and then 0.8, 0.6. So that is minimum is 0.6, 0.5, 0.3. So minimum is 0.3, 0.1, here 0.2. So again the minimum value is this. This is one is mu of A intersection B. The question is mu of A intersection B the whole dash, that is equal to we have to subtract by 1 minus 0. So 0.9 comma 0.7 comma 0.5 comma 0.7 comma 0.9. So the option is here, it has to be 7. So option A is the correct answer. The next question, back propagation is the learning technique that adjusts weights in the neural network by propagating weighted changes. So back propagation, that is you are going to the back. So consider this tree level, okay. So this is a tree structure, right? Back propagation means from the sink, this is the last one, okay, sink to source, okay. So backward from sink to source is the correct answer for back propagation technique. The next question, identify the following activation functions z, x, y or parameters. So this is some functions, just we have to remember v equal to z plus 1 divided by 1 plus exponent of minus x into y plus v. This one is a sigmoid function. This one is called as a sigmoid function. We have to just remember the formula. The next question, consider the fuzzy set A defined on the interval x equal to 0, 10 of integers by the member function. Okay, this is not a junction, this is a membership function mu of Ax equal to x divided by x plus 2. Then the alpha cut corresponding to alpha 0.5 will be. Okay, so here they give alpha cut is 0.5. So mu A of x, that is equal to x divided by x plus 2. So now they said that in the interval x equal to 0, 20. So we have to apply the value mu A 0. When you apply the value 0 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So when you apply the value 1, 1 divided by 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by 3, that is equal to 0.33. And then mu A of 2, that is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. So when I apply mu A of 3, correct, 2 divided by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Sorry, that is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Okay. So 0.5 where it is stop is mu of A of 2. When x equal to 2, the alpha cut value you are able to reach. Okay, when you apply x equal to 2 for this membership function, when you apply x value to 2, that is 2 divided by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 2 divided by 4, 1 divided by 2 equal to 0.5. This 0.5 is a alpha cut. So whenever alpha cut comes means you have to stop the process and you have to type the x value from there. So you should not take this 0 and 1 and null. So when you apply 2, it will come 0.5. So after if you apply 3, so 3 divided by 5, so it will be greater than 0.5 only. So these all values 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, if you apply all these values, it will come greater than the alpha cut. So this is the answer. So just work out with me. The next question, you are given an OR problem and an XOR problem to solve, then which one of the following statement is true? I am not familiar with this, I just tell the answer. Option D, OR problem can solve using single layer perception. XOR problem can be solved using radial base function. And the next one, if A and B are two fuzzy set with member function mu A of x and then mu B of x, they find out then the value of mu of A union B, here they give dash, okay, mu of A union B the dash. So union means we have to find out the maximum value. So 0.9 and then 0.5 had to compare from here, mu of A comma x and mu of B comma x here. And second one is 0.5 and third one is 0.6, fourth one is 0.8 and fifth one is 0.8. So here you have to subtract. So this is mu of A union B. So mu of A union B the whole dash equal to 1 minus mu of A union B. So we have to subtract from this. So 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1, 0.5 minus 1 minus 0.5, 0.5 and then 0.4, 0.2, 0.2. So the answer will be 0.1, 0.5. So option C is the correct answer. The next question. Let A be the set of comfortable houses given as x1, x2 and B be the set of affordable houses. Then set of comfortable, okay, set of comfortable means here, set of comfortable houses, okay, and then affordable houses. So you consider this set of comfortable houses is mu of AX, okay. This one is set of comfortable houses. Set of comfortable houses. And mu B of x will be considered as a set of affordable houses. So we can able to buy that house. Affordable houses. So what they ask the question is set of comfortable and affordable houses. That is mu of AX and is, so that is this mu of BX. So A and B. So A and B. So I want both. Okay, I want comfortable house and also I want an affordable house. So mu of A and B is, you have to find the minimum value. Okay. So you just x1, here you can you have to see here it is 0.8, 0.9. So the answer is just to see as it is. X1 write as it is and then you have to find the minimum value 0.8 and then x2 divided by 0.8. Then for x3 divided by 0.1 and x4 divided by 0.2. So this is the answer. So where it is, this value is available in option A, right? So here it is the answer. You have to just see the minimum value in the below. So as we work out in the last sum, the same manner now the value is given in the downward. The next question, the same concept. Suppose of a fuzzy set A equal to some value within a universal set X given us. So these are all coming under universal set. This just you have to tell that X. So X equal to coming under X1, X2, X3, X4 and X5. So this will come under the universal set. So option D is the correct answer. The next one, if A and B are two fuzzy set with membership function mu A of x and mu B of x, then what is the value of mu A intersection B? A intersection B is, the value is, find out the minimum value. So, find out the minimum value 0.2, 0.1, that is 0.1, then 0.5, then 0.2, 0.1 and 0.8 is the answer. So, where it is, this value is available in the option D. So, 0.1, 0.5, 0.2, 0.1 and 0.8. The next question, the height of h of A of a fuzzy set A is defined h of A equal to A of x, then the fuzzy set A is normal when, so when means h of A equal to 1. So, I am not clear about this, just you have to remember this concept. The next question, an artificial neurons input is x1, x2 with weight is attached to the input links. The weighted sum is computed to be passed on a non-linear filter activation function. To release the output, we have to multiply wi xi plus wi x2 plus w3 x3. So, up to wn xn. So, you can return this one as sigma wi xi. Okay, this one is one w1 x1. So, this weight and this x you have to multiply, and then this weight and this x value you have to multiply. So, the option is sigma wi dot sigma xno is. So, wi dot sigma xi. The next question, given universal set is this, and A equal to 3, 0.7, 5, 1, 6, 0.8. Okay. So, now what you have to do is, first we have to write 1. Okay. So, 1 is there in an universal, but in an A, in a set A, 1 is not there. Okay. So, just write 1, 1 and see 2 is there, but in a set A, 2 is not there. Okay. So, at that time you have to write 2, 1. The next time 3, so here also 3. So, and then now here it is a 0.7. So, now we have to do 1 minus 0.7, that is 3, 0.3, then 4. 4 is not there. So, if it is not there means you have to just write it as 1. If it is there, if the 5 is there in a set, just you have to subtract 1 from this, 1 minus 1. So, 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. And then 6. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. If this value is 0, you no need to write. This value is 0, you no need to write. The next 6, 0.2 and 7, 1. So, this option is available in option C. So, if there is 0 here in the y axis, you no need to write. The next question, consider the fuzzy set old as defined below. Old equal to 20, 0.1, 30, 2 and etc. Okay. Then the alpha cut for alpha equal to 0.4. So, if they give alpha cut, we have to take the values after alpha cut. Okay. Then the set old will be, so wherever it is less than 0.4, see wherever less than 0.4 you have to give the value 0. So, wherever the value 0.4 and greater than 0.4 you have to apply 1, that is it. So, you can see 20, so alpha cut is 0.4. Okay, now this 0.1 is less than 0.4. So, you just put 0. Okay, this is the first value, and 30, 0.2 is less than 0.4. So, put 0, and 40, this is lesser than no. You have to see just yes or no. So, no means you have to put 40, 1, and then 50, 0.6 is greater than yes. So, 50, 1 and 60 comma 1, 71 is greater than 0.4, yes, 80 comma 1. So this option is available in option D. The next question, perceptron learning, delta learning and LMS learning or learning methods which falls under the category of error correcting learning or learning with the teacher. Just remember this some theory. I am not so much familiar in this. Okay. The next question, a dash point to a fuzzy set A is a point xx at which mu of Ax equal to 0. If mu of Ax is 0.5, then it is called as a crossover point. Then it is called as crossover point.